Creating a carousel in Wix Studio allows you to showcase multiple images or content in a single, interactive space. It's a great way to display product images, testimonials, or portfolio pieces. Here's how to create one. Open Wix Studio. Log into your Wix account. Navigate to Wix Studio and open the website you want to edit. Add the carousel. In the Wix Studio editor, click Add from the left sidebar. Select Gallery and then choose Carousel from the options. Drag the carousel to your desired location on the page. Customize the carousel. Once the carousel is added, click on it to select it. Customize the images or content by uploading your media or selecting items from your existing media library. Adjust settings like autoplay, transition speed, and arrows for navigation in the carousel settings panel. Style the carousel. You can change the layout, border, spacing, and other design elements to match your site's theme. Save and publish. Once the carousel looks how you want it, click Save and then Publish to make your carousel live on the site.